How's your bath going? Good? You do a little Stevie Wonder for us? Aww.
You bum.
Oh. Kayla, what are you doing, man? You hanging out in some Tupperware? We have a bathtub for you, but Daddy's got to fix it, huh? Daddy has to fix a lot of stuff. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
She likes this way.
She does. She's kind of digging that way. She's like lounging. She's like, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. I'm just gonna chill over here, you know. Kind of look at my fist. See what's going on with my fist. It's pretty cool. I think I want to eat my fist. Yeah. I'll put my fist in my mouth. I'm gonna eat my fist. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat my fist. I'm gonna do it. Oh my God. No. I'm sick. I need to stop eating fish.